I admit that naman. Nag-rock bottom talaga ako. I had to learn the hard way.
Ano yung point na rock bottom?
That time, for example, when I was starting my career, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 years na in my career, even producers went up to me, directors, saying na, pag ganun na yung career mo, Karel, ba't ka huminto? What if daw? Puro what if hindi ako huminto, ganyan-ganyan. Pero pinapili kasi ako ng previous ko if career or siya. And then,
Relationship.
I was young, I was 21. And then I chose to stop. And then when I chose to stop, I was in the middle of a show in GMA. I was already like a lead role na there. Imagine lead role, tas magsa-stop. Parang thinking about it, parang wow, grabe, the opportunity was there. And then a lot of people thought na nga na nag-US ako or nabuntis ako. Hindi ako nabuntis when I stopped. I got pregnant a year after I stopped.